Hi, you want to have a beautiful skin? Let's see how we can use herbs. Here are some herbs for skincare. Aloe vera soothes skin, irritations, reduces inflammation, and hydrates. Calendula is anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and antifungal. Helps with wound healing. Chamomile calms skin irritations, reduces inflammation, and promotes relaxation. Cucumber hydrates, cools, and reduces puffiness. Green tea, antioxidant rich, reduces inflammation and protects against sun damage. Lavender soothes skin irritations, promotes relaxation, and reduces acne. Neem is antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory, helps with acne and hyperpigmentation. Rosemary improves circulation, reduces inflammation, and promotes collagen production. Sage is anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. It helps with skin elasticity and firmness. Turmeric is anti-inflammatory and antioxidant, reduces acne, hyperpigmentation, and promotes glow. Now let's see how to use them. Infused oils, steep herbs in carrier oils like coconut oil, olive oil for topical, and teas. Steep the herb in hot water, let them cool and use as a toner. Face mask. Mix herbs with clay, honey, or yogurt for a nourishing face mask. Mix herbs with beeswax and oil for a soothing balm. Steam inhalation. Inhale herb steam to open pores and promote relaxation. DIY recipes. You can use aloe vera and green tea toner. Steep aloe vera and green tea in water. Strain and apply. Calendula and coconut oil cells. Mix calendula infused oil with coconut and beeswax, chamomile and lavender face mask. For that, mix chamomile and lavender teas with honey and yogurt. Precautions. There are always some precautions. Patch test is must on small areas before using. Also consult a healthcare professional or dermatologist, especially if you have some allergies or skin concerns. Use high-quality organic herbs. Remember, herbs can interact with medication or worsen certain skin conditions. Always consult with a healthcare. Subscribe to my channel to know more about skincare. Bye and have a beautiful skin.